Good day. My name is Ryan Salabai Rumley. I'm a member of the Thanatam Nation and the Navajo tribe, both tribes located here in Arizona. I currently am a process engineer working with Intel. I've been at Intel 19 years. Throughout that time, it's been a long path. Started as a manufacturing tech after I graduated with my AA from Mesa Community College. After a couple of years, I was promoted to engineering tech, and then with some of the classes available through Intel, to a full-time engineer. And that's where I've been for the last 12 of those 19 years. Daily, we walk through a 4-story, basically 2 football field size, high volume manufacturing plant. It's all automated. You have thousands of wafers traveling overhead to hundreds of tools throughout this facility, all automated, all can be controlled, from possibly from your home laptop or a control center miles away. We do have 4 factories just here in Arizona. I do make weekly phone calls with Israel, Ireland, Oregon as well, but we do have other factories around the United States. Growing up 30 miles outside of Tucson, it was always a long bus ride of desert landscape, cactus, brush. But looking now, my daily walk includes this class 10 clean room that's 1,000 times cleaner than a hospital operating room, with all of these wafers pretty much traveling on their own, tool to tool, getting processed, different types of semiconductor processing that they go through. So every day there's a new challenge, there's new problems. Some are mechanical, some are electrical, some are process related. Through classes like model-based problem solving and statistical analysis, it's always good to have a good foundation in problem solving. So if you like that kind of criteria in your workday, uh, doing some experiments, coming up with solutions to problems that are new, engineering is a good field for you to be in. And I encourage you to take all the classes you can, learn all that you can, and stick with it. In the end, it will pay off. Thank you.